Hi guys. Okay, I created your MobyMax and I'm giving you a tutorial on it because I don't know if maybe you would want to use this too in your classroom. But what I did, Kristen, was I created this URL for you. So your students, if you used it just with him or with any of your students, you can bookmark this on their screen. So it's mobymax.com/sign-in/Berta. And then they can use what's called easy sign in. So I'm also going to send you a PDF with all this information in it that is meant to send home to a parent, but it will tell you how to sign in. So you can see his name right here. He would just click on it and then listen. I chose soccer and the airplane just because they were first for him. So that's like his password. Okay. And then this here are his subjects. This is assignments if you were to assign something to him. So I know you don't have any time to do this, but there are ways to assign certain skills to the kids. And then here's where he can access games. So this is one thing I really like about MobyMax because they actually earn game time according to how many lessons they pass. And then eventually they earn more games. So like right now, he needs to work for a total of 30 minutes. I believe this can be adjusted also before he earns games. But it's really a good motivator for the kids because then they see like, oh, I earned 5 more minutes of game time, and then new games will pop up and they like that. And then as a teacher, you can kind of get creative and do certificates and badges. You can use it as a behavior modification tool. There's just a lot of options. But again, that requires time. But for now, all you need to do is just sign him in. I don't know what this is. Oh, yes, that's just for him to, I don't really know. This looks like a new feature to me. But this is where his subjects are. If he were to click on math, it would start him in an assessment, a placement test. And so that's really good to kind of see his overall skill. And then what it does is it works with him adaptively according to where he placed, and it does like lessons. Fact fluency is really good. I'll open this because it's not a placement test, where it just goes through all the addition facts, then subtraction facts. The guy's voice drives me crazy. He's only for math. So I don't want to answer for him because then it would affect him. Oh, it is a placement test. So it's good. It would give him a placement test and then start him on the more appropriate skills. I'm going to show you reading stories. Well, actually, I think he'd probably be good with early trio reading is a good skill builder. Watch. So his job is to move the D to dad. And then let me see. I think it tells him who. Oh, so it's showing him the word here. You can see every time I click on it, it also repeats it. Now let's say if he gets it wrong, it's gonna not let him do it. So then it shows him. So he sees it in color and he hears it and it's interactive. And then here you see like how long he's been in the session, and there's a teacher portion where you can access all of this information. It gives you data. Hold on, let me show you. I get so excited about this thing. Oh, you know what? I would have to re-sign in. But anyways, there's like a teacher when you sign in, and I'll email that to you. You can see his progress and you can see his levels where he was placed at, and you can see what lessons he's passing and what lessons he's not. It just gives such great diagnostic information, and it works adaptively. So it's literally like having a private tutor with the kid at all times. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know. I really, really love this program. And it's one of the nationwide approved programs for intervention. When a school is in program improvement, schools can purchase this as their intervention program because it's research proven. It's won a ton of awards, and they've just collected a lot of data to show that it supports student learning. So, okay, bye.